If you are not following the secret strategy in 2025, you are never going viral. Short-form content is no longer just a trend. It's a global phenomenon reshaping the way billions of people consume media daily. Attention isn't just valuable anymore, it's the most powerful currency in today's digital landscape. Yet, only a handful of savvy creators understand how to monetize this currency effectively. Believe it or not, some creators are making more than seasoned investment bankers by posting quick, easy-to-create videos that take less than 10 minutes to produce. Don't believe it? Let me share something incredible. One of our 18-year-old community members recently used the exact strategy I'm about to show you and earned over $10,000 in just a few weeks across TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Yes, you heard that right. Thousands of dollars from simple short-form content across multiple platforms. Now you might wonder, why mention TikTok and Instagram on a video about YouTube? It's simple. In this video, for the first time ever on YouTube, I'll unveil a complete blueprint to create a content factory. By the end of this video, you will be able to effortlessly mass-produce short videos, automatically distribute them across multiple platforms, and best of all, monetize any type of audience. Whether your videos are teens, elders, meme lovers, or international audiences, this method will work for you. Stick around because every single step is critical to turning your short-form videos to an actual profitable online empire. Step 1. Finding the perfect niche. Let's kick off by selecting the right niche, because going viral isn't just luck, it's strategy. I've spent hours analyzing viral short-form trends, and here's what I've found. Videos about interesting, surprising, and emotional facts, especially those about love, relationships, and crushes, are currently dominating every platform. Take this example right here, a simple short-form video titled Crush Facts, pulling millions of views monthly and earning an astonishing $18,000 every month on YouTube alone. Now, imagine combining those earnings with TikTok and Instagram, plus the hidden monetization method I'll reveal later. We're talking about CEO level income from this video, simpler than you'd believe. Unlike many niches that only thrive on specific platform, relationship-based facts consistently go viral everywhere, exactly what we need to create for our multi-platform content machine. However, remember, this strategy is universal. If relationships aren't your vibe, don't worry. You can apply this blueprint to literally any niche you're passionate about, which will only make it easier for you to remain consistent. Step 2. The secret bulk video creation method. Now, let's talk about creating these videos efficiently. Forget the hours spent editing videos individually on CapCut or Premiere Pro. We're going to use a groundbreaking method that will let you produce months of content in just a few clicks. Yes, you heard that correctly, months of videos. I previously shared a similar strategy on my channel that quickly gained over 2 million views, but I've refined it even further for this video. Our strategy focuses on volume, speed, and simplicity. You won't even need to hire editors or freelancers to scale multiple channels. But first, let's address the biggest hurdle every creator faces: monetization. On TikTok, monetization requires at least 10,000 followers from specific countries. On YouTube Shorts, you need 1,000 subscribers plus 10 million views over the past 90 days. Daunting if you're just starting. However, there's an easy shortcut: pre-monetized accounts. Yes, those actually exist. I've tested them myself, and they allow you to earn from your first video, completely bypassing the tedious requirements. I'll share a direct link for this in the description to help you kickstart your journey. Step 3. Automated content creation with AI. Let's dive deeper into our 3-step bulk content creation system. Step 1. Generate captivating facts using ChatGPT with a carefully engineered prompt I've created. ChatGPT can instantly provide sets of viral-ready facts about relationships, crushes, or whatever niche you choose. For instance, request 30 sets of 10 facts each, instantly giving you enough content for 30 videos. The key? Ensure your prompt specifies engaging, shareable facts, such as those encouraging viewers to comment or share. Request ChatGPT to structure responses in table format for easy integration later. Step 2. Now, let's visually package your facts. Head over to Canva, where you leverage their incredible bulk create feature. Why Canva? Because it seamlessly imports ChatGPT generated content, automatically transforming your data into dozens of professional short-form content videos in minutes. To set this up, choose a TikTok video format on Canva. Add text placeholders for your facts and topics. Ensure each fact stays on screen for about 6 seconds, optimizing your content for monetization and viewer retention. Here's a critical insider tip. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts now favor slightly longer shorts, up to 3 minutes on YouTube, giving you a higher earning rate and boosting algorithmic reach. So, each video you create should ideally be around 1 minute or slightly longer to hit this sweet spot. But wait, white text on a plain background won't cut it. To captivate viewers, enhance your shorts using vibrant backgrounds and emotional music. Websites like Pixabay offer stunning copyright-free visuals and audio that instantly elevate your content's quality, increasing viewer engagement significantly. Step 4. Scaling content automatically across platforms. Imagine creating 30 pieces of viral content and instantly distributing them across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more, all without lifting a finger daily. This isn't fantasy, it's reality, thanks to tools like Later.com. This powerful scheduling tool lets you automate uploads on multiple social platforms simultaneously. Just upload your videos once, set your posting schedule, which is ideally around 7 to 9 p.m. for peak engagement, and let the software handle the rest. With just a few clicks, you'd be posting over 200 videos every month effortlessly. This consistency will rapidly trigger algorithmic momentum, and once a single video gains traction, the rest will snowball, skyrocketing your channel's growth. Step 5. The hidden monetization strategy no one talks about. Now, let's address the real secret behind earning massive income quickly: affiliate marketing done the right way. Forget generic affiliate products that barely convert. I've uncovered a new platform called Glitchy, designed explicitly for short-form content creators. The brilliance here, your views won't even need to purchase anything. They simply complete a few quick actions like filling out surveys and you get paid. Offers from major brands like KFC, Shein, and Zara pay up to $8 per completed action. Imagine thousands of viewers clicking your link, each earning you a few dollars without spending anything themselves. You only need to place this link up in your bio and subtly incorporate a CTA within your content. It's unbelievably easy and profitable, with many creators already earning upwards of $100,000 per month from this exact strategy. At this point, you have all the tools and strategies to build your short-form content empire. You know exactly how to choose these viral niches, mass create captivating videos, automate distribution, and monetize efficiently. But I understand this can be overwhelming, so here's an invitation. Join my 100% free Telegram community with over 21,000 successful creators actively discussing and refining strategies daily. You'll get direct support and insights to accelerate your growth even further. Also, grab my free YouTube Blueprint mini course available in the description to ensure that you start with every possible advantage. And if you want pre-monetized accounts, I've arranged an exclusive deal for you in the description. If you found this valuable, show me some love by clicking like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means more resources to uncover and share strategies like these.